There's an old saying that goes, "You gotta have money to make money." While that may have been true back in the day, times have changed, and the internet is a powerful factor. Having money doesn't mean you'll keep it nowadays, but having an idea and ambition sure can. Here's how to make money online without paying anything, using just some of your time. Number 1, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a fancy term for when you promote products or services and earn a commission off of the sales. For example, that influencer who put the link in the description of their video, yeah, they're affiliate marketers. You don't need to be a beauty queen or king to do this, though. You can simply create an account that reviews blenders, for example, and get enough of a following that you're paid for people who buy the blenders you review. You'll need skills in digital marketing, something you can learn on your own via YouTube nowadays, and enough drive to learn how to move online traffic and get those followers. Number 2, managing social media accounts. If you're an organized type A person, this might be a go-to for you. Managing social media means you'll create, schedule, and analyze content for different social media platforms for one or more clients. You'll need to learn about different platforms or one platform's algorithms, and about different scheduling tools for posts. You can start by volunteering to manage the social media of a small business or nonprofit, and then start getting paying clients after your first successful show. Number 3, freelancing. Freelancing is when you contract with a client or company and offer your skills for a project or set time. You could freelance write, design, edit, program, or many other things. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr are great places to start. You'll need positive reviews, so try offering to do your first project for free in exchange for a 5-star review from your first client. Number 4, YouTube. You're on YouTube, so I don't have to tell you what that's about. What do you love? Maybe it's vlogging, travel, reviewing, or gaming. Create a channel and start making videos about what you're passionate about. Once you have enough of a gathering, you'll make big bucks from YouTube's annoying advertisements. Yes, we all think they're annoying. Might as well benefit from them if you can. Number 5, surveys. I've been asked to be a part of a survey many times, and I usually complete them. On 3 occasions, this has led me to be invited to be a part of a longer-term study, which means I filled out surveys over a few months consistently. I have personally made hundreds of dollars from this, and it's something I enjoy. Do you like sharing your opinion or giving reviews? Next time you get that email, fill it out. There's also websites you can sign up for like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindale Research. Number 6, being a virtual assistant. If you're a fan of admin or entrepreneurs, get your foot in the door by being a virtual assistant or VA. You'll need clear communication and organization skills, plus some knowledge of office software. Figure out what services you'll offer and build a personal profile. You could use some of the freelance ones we mentioned earlier. A good reputation goes a long way, so go out of your way for that first client or project. Number 7, transcribing. If you've got a good ear and fast typing skills, transcribing could be an easy way to make some cash. Get familiar with transcribing platforms like Rev or TranscribeMe to get started. Number 8, selling digital products. Digital products could be an ebook you create, music, courses, digital design, printables, or software. Learn what you do well and sell it, especially if you have a knowledge base you can make a PDF out of. Sell on Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify. Number 9, podcasting. Podcasts have blown up in the last few years, and they're here to stay. You'll have to choose your niche and start recording. This will take some time to get off the ground, and you may want to invest in better recording equipment down the line, but at first, a good idea, effort, and your phone or laptop is all you need. Number 10, focus groups. Focus groups are similar to surveys, except that you join discussions to provide feedback. You'll need some critical thinking and communication skills, especially when it comes to giving your well-rounded opinion. Check out websites like focusgroup.com or respondent.io to make a profile. To make money online without paying anything, you'll need access to a computer. Hello, libraries, some time and energy. We've all got that somewhere. Let me know which option is your favorite in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.